if you're one of those who have been thinking about how to promote your affiliate link and you are a new affiliate marketer, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you everything about promoting your affiliate link. Now, you should know that promoting your affiliate links for free is a great way to generate income without spending money on ads. If you know how to do it very well, you may not need to spend on ads to get results, although it is slow, but it is very, very possible and it works. In fact, my first pay on as an affiliate marketer was made without paying for ads. Okay, even my first, second, third, fifth affiliate payments, my commissions, I did not have to pay for ads. All right, so in today's video I'm going to show you 6 ways to promote your affiliate links for free of charge. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any parts, because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know when it comes to promoting your affiliate link. If you do it correctly, you are definitely going to see results. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is awajiimamisioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I share more videos you are going to be notified. Okay, so having said that, let's quickly go straight to the point and talk about how you can promote your affiliate links for free. Okay, so number 1 on my list is social media platforms. You can share your affiliate links on social media sites like Facebook, like Instagram, like Twitter, like LinkedIn. All right, these are places that are free of charge. You can share your affiliate link. You can talk about your affiliate product. Okay, the beautiful thing about this is you can do it as much as you want to do it, and if you are consistent, people will start asking you questions. All right, you can even do it on your WhatsApp status. WhatsApp is free. You can create engaging posts that people can relate with. You can create stories. You can post videos that you can incorporate your affiliate link to. Are you getting it now? So if you do it correctly, if you keep posting value, and every morning, let's say you you create some content for 30 days. Imagine that every morning I'm waking up to seeing your content about affiliate marketing and how to make money online and how to make my life better and how to achieve my goals. Imagine every morning I wake up 8 a.m. I'm seeing your post. If you do it for 30 days, people are going to definitely start asking questions. Are you getting now? So if they can start asking questions, it means that they are already noticing you. Are you getting it? So once they notice you, they start asking questions, and once they ask questions, you can get them to have a conversation with them to the point where you can close them. This is a very, very good way to promote your affiliate links without paying for ads. I've used these methods and it works very well. I've used this method and it works very well. All right, so number 2 on my list is YouTube videos. You can be creating YouTube content around the topic that is related to your affiliate product. Let's say maybe you want to talk about how to make money online from remote jobs. Maybe you are promoting an affiliate product that is related to remote jobs. You can talk about anything about remote jobs. All right, and then in your video you insert your link. All right, you insert your link, and once people are very interested in what you are saying, they will go and look for the link and they will click on it. Are you getting it now? You can insert the link in the description of your video. You can pin it to the comment section. All right, you can teach it as a webinar. All right, you can do review videos. You can even do how to do stuff, just like this video you are watching now. All right, go to the link if you want to learn how to do it very well. You want me to coach you on how to do it very well. You want me to take you step by step, one-on-one, to show you all that you need to know about how to do this go to the link in the description. I will drop a link there for you. With that link, you can get access to me. All right. Or you can check the pin post. I'll pin a post to the comment section. So just click on that link anywhere you find it, and then it will bring you to me. All right. For more, we're going to discuss more about how you can really learn how to do this. Okay. So you can use videos. You can decide to use TikTok. All right. If you want to be doing short form content, if you want to be doing long form content, you use YouTube. If you want to be doing short form content, you use TikTok. Number 3 is blogging. All right. If you have a skill in blogging, you can write blog posts that provide valuable information, and you can include your affiliate link. For instance, if you're promoting a product that has to do with weight loss, you can create a blog and start writing about weight loss, and then after your content, you can add your affiliate link in anywhere around your content. Are you getting this now? So your aim now is to push a lot of people to your blog content, your blog posts, so that people can read. And if your content is very, very good, if your content is very valuable, people will be forced to click your link. And once they click your link, it brings them to you. They want to have a taste of your product. They want to really get your product. So this is a very good way for you to do it. If you want to start blogging, if you want to learn about blogging, go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there for you. All right. That is number 3. Now, number 4, which is one of the best ways that I use to promote my affiliate links. This number 4 is free ebooks or guides. You can create free ebooks. You can write them for free. In fact, if you choose not to write ebooks, there are places on the internet where you can get these ebooks for free of charge, and nobody's gonna fight you with copyright laws. Nobody's gonna disturb you about using the ebooks for free. So these are information that can actually help you to really promote your links. Just know how to create your content, know how to package your ebook, know how to attach your link to your ebook, and then if you can do that successfully, you can promote it. You can give it out for free. All right. There are different platforms where you can host your ebook. You can share it to people, to family and friends, and then even on social media. And once people get the book and they read it very well, they enjoy it. If your content is valuable, you can actually get people to click your link and they will make payment and for your product. All right. This is a very good way to promote your affiliate link for free. If you want to learn how to do this, once again, make sure that you go to the link in the description. If you don't know how to write ebooks, if you don't know how to create ebooks, I can teach you one-on-one on how to do all of that. Okay. I believe you're getting value from this video. If you're getting value, kindly click the link, the like button, kindly subscribe, kindly hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Okay. So number 5 is online communities and forums. So just as the name implies, communities and forums are just a gathering of same people with like mindset. So there are so many of these communities on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, wherever on social media, there are plenty. All you need to do is to find a way to join these communities and provide value. All right. Don't go there and be dropping your link anyhow. Just dropping your link. You'll be seen as a spammer, somebody that that just puts content anyhow and is maybe an annoying person. People are going to hate you for that, and eventually you can be kicked out of the community. So you need to watch out that you don't just post your links randomly everywhere. All right. Make sure the key here is you make sure you provide value. That's the key here. You make sure you provide content. All right. Content is what people are looking for. Content that can solve problems. All right. So you don't just want to just be throwing your links everywhere. Just be throwing your links. No, it's very offensive. So you must really understand how to do this. Okay. Number 6 now, which is my last one. Number 6 is word of mouth. Okay. Just as the name implies, word of mouth is just you telling somebody physically or maybe online, telling them that you can offer a solution to them. All right. Now, this comes from a point of when they already trust you. Okay. You can't just go to a stranger and say, okay, come and buy from me or get my product. It doesn't work that way. So how do you actually make people believe you with word of mouth? You should be showing some proofs. You should be consistent online. You should appear more on their faces. You should be noticed, meaning that you need to keep showing up every day. Okay. When you do that, when you use testimonials, when you use proofs, when you use screenshots of payments, people are definitely going to believe you and they will ask questions. Are you getting now? So these are 6 ways for you to promote your affiliate link without paying for ads. I believe that you've learned something today. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. When you do all of these things, it shows that you support what we are doing on this channel. Okay. Now, before I go, if you want to learn how to make money online, or you want me to teach you step by step, one-on-one, just go to the link in the description. I have dropped a link for you there, and check the pin post in the comment section. I'm going to drop links to all of that. Okay. Do well to check all this link and click on them. And once you get inside, I'm going to see you inside. Enjoy.